Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix or flip a video capture upside down on your camera phone using the CapCut PC. So let's say I've taken this video, but turned out that I've taken the video upside down, and here I'm going to fix it using CapCut PC. So if you want to do the same in here, you can see this is the video. What you need to do is just click on the video here on the timeline, and to flip you can just use this mirror option like this, or to fix the upside down you can also use the rotate option. So you can just click on rotate and click on again, so now it will be in the correct position. If you want to, you can also mirror it again like this, but I'm going to just go with this, and this is the final result. So that's pretty much easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.